If you're planning a commercial roof in 2026 and waiting until the roof leaks, you're already behind. Most commercial roof projects do not fail because of bad materials, they fail because the planning started too late. In 2026, the difference between a smooth project and a painful one comes down to planning months, sometimes years in advance. If you own, manage, or oversee a commercial building, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down how to properly plan for a commercial roof in 2026. What is changing, where owners get caught off guard, and how to avoid emergency pricing, rush decisions, and unnecessary disruption. This is not theory, this is based on what we are seeing on real buildings right now. One of the biggest mistakes we see is owners relying on roof age instead of roof condition. A 20-year-old roof is not automatically failing. A 10-year-old roof is not automatically healthy. In 2026, proper planning starts with objective information, not assumptions. That means having a current roof inspection, moisture scanning when appropriate, core samples to verify the system and condition, a clear understanding of deck type and constraints, a documented leak history. Without this information, every budget number is just a guess. Emergency roofing is always the most expensive form of roofing. When a roof fails unexpectedly, you lose pricing leverage, scheduling flexibility, and system options. You're forced to make decisions under pressure. In 2026, smart owners are treating roofing as a capital planning exercise, not a maintenance issue. That means building a 3 to 5 year roof plan, identifying trigger points for repairs versus replacement, planning work in phases when possible. This approach puts ownership in control instead of reacting to the weather and failures. Choosing a roof system is not about what's popular, it's about how the building is actually being used. In 2026, system selection should consider foot traffic and rooftop access, HVAC service frequency, tenant improvements, energy performance goals, warranty strategy and maintenance requirements. We regularly see roofs fail early because the system used did not reflect how the roof was being used. That mismatch shortens lifespan. Coatings and restoration can be effective tools when used correctly. In 2026, coatings should be used to extend the life of a viable system, buy time for capital planning, improve performance on a roof that qualifies. They should not be used to hide moisture, structural issues, or deferred maintenance. A failed coating often makes the eventual replacement more expensive, not less. This decision needs to be made early and based on real data. If this video is helpful, like the video and subscribe. We release real-world commercial roofing content every week, built for owners and property managers. Commercial roofing timelines are getting longer. In 2026, planning needs to account for engineering reviews, permitting timelines, manufacturer approvals, material lead times, tenant and occupant coordination. If you want a roof installed next summer, planning should be underway now. Waiting limits your options. Planning expands them. 2 roofs with the same square footage can have very different costs. The difference is complexity. Cost drivers include limited access or crane restrictions, occupied buildings, mechanical equipment, solar arrays, rooftop amenities, structural limitations, phased construction requirements. Ignoring complexity during planning is one of the fastest ways to blow a budget. The right contractor is not usually the one with the lowest number. It's the one with the clearest plan. You should be looking for a detailed scope of work, clear assumptions, pre-construction planning, transparency around risk. A good contractor will identify potential problems early before it become real issues mid-project. The best commercial roof projects are quiet. No emergency meetings, no angry tenants, no surprise change orders. Just a roof that performs as expected because it was planned correctly. If you're heading into 2026 with questions about your commercial roof, the worst move is waiting. Start with information, build a plan, control the timeline. That's how you protect the building, the budget, and the people inside.